Hi again. So I put some makeup on. I'm easier on the eyes just a tad bit. Anyways, we're going to talk about the Cataplex F and the vitamin D supplement. It is in the pantry and it's called Cataplex F and vitamin D. And this is the replacement for vitamin D. So what I do is, to make sure that we don't waste any of the supplement, I pour it into a shot glass. And see how much broth is still left? So instead of doing what we do in the morning we would do both of these in one shot glass. I space it out between 2 shot glasses so Julian can consume more of the broth. The goal is to finish all of this. So then we're going to go and walk this over to Julian. And typically when he's going to do a supplement, he's like right in the middle of a conversation. So have him stop and have him take a gulp so his throat will be ready for swallowing. Because for some reason he always tends to gag with his Kepra and his supplements. Not always, but it's frequent. And it's usually because we're kind of rushing him to take that supplement or medication while he's in the middle of a thought and he's not prepared his throat to swallow. Okay, you ready, Julian? So he's not gulping the whole thing at once. Just giving it to him in 3 sips. So that's all done. Now we're going to go back and fill up the shot glass with more broth. So I'm going to fill it up. And this is the Cat F. They're called pearls because they're like little pearls. And in the cupboard up here is also the needle that we're going to use. Sometimes when these supplements are made, they're really hard and you've got to get a knife and gently poke a circular hole into them. But this batch is actually soft, at least the ones I've been getting from the top part of the bottle have been. So I do 3 little holes very close to each other and I squeeze as much out as I can. And I'm going to walk over to Julian and do the same thing, give it to him in 3 sips. So this is different from the morning. Like I said, in the morning you're going to do the fiber and the Cataplex F, the vitamin D and the Cataplex F in a shot glass with the fiber in it. And in the evening, it's the Cataplex F and the vitamin D with the broth in the shot glass. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.